Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social, a community where traders of all experience levels come together to share market insights, market updates, and also market strategy. It is also a community for analysts and developers, a community where analysts can come in to share their own insights and also developers can come in to contribute. It has a section for any financial pair you trade, be it crypto, be it stocks, commodities, and even very much forex. You can be part of this community by visiting investsocial.com. Starting with this trend right here, first thing first, we need to know what our trend is, then we have to trade with the trend. When you take a look at this current movements, gold is in ranging market move. So basically, there are three main movements in the market. First movement is an uptrend move. Second movement is a downtrend move. Third movement is a ranging market move. These are the three movements you'll find. It's either market is trending to the upside, or it is trending to the downside, or literally ranging. If you take a look at this movement right here, gold is on a ranging market move. So we are ranging right here. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement. We had a sell that made market to tap our supports. Then when market got to the support level, it rejected and bounced up. Markets came back again to tap this our support level. When it got to the support level, it rejected from this our support level, then bounced up. The market eventually came back again to tap the support level. So of course, we had to expect it to reject and bounce up. So guys, this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we are to expect on gold. We are to expect a bullish move on gold next, right here. A bullish move, that is what we are to expect on gold. Now, guys, let's drop down to our 1 hour time frame. So this is a rejection. This is also a rejection right here. Market also gave us a rejection. Then it gave us a rejection right here. Markets has also given us a rejection, which is giving us a rejection. So we have to expect this rejection to continue that movement upward. So if you can see to grab between 200 to 300 pips for the week on gold, I think that would be a very good thing, right? That would be a very good amount to be made for the week. We are to expect the movement to the upside. Now, the question is, when will the movement start? So this is one of the reasons why you need to be patient before you hop in or look to go in for the buy. You would want to get your buy setup first. Remember, get your buy setup first. Once you get your buy setup, then you can now look to go in for the buy. For now, we are to be anticipating for the movement, which is a bullish move. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the update. If you find this video very helpful, make sure you visit investsocial.com to learn more and also connect with traders of like-minded people.